Did you know your gut is basically the control center of your immune system? Yep, science shows 70% of your immune cells hang out there. But here's the wild part. Your favorite herbal tea might be the secret weapon your gut's been craving. Stick around. I'm breaking down 5 gut-loving teas, exactly how to use them, and a surprise combo that's a total game changer for bloating. Spoiler, it involves ginger and peppermint, but we'll get to that. Today, we're talking herbal teas. Not just cozy bedtime drinks, but legit gut-healing powerhouses. Think of these as nature's little pharmacists. From calming cramps to kicking bloating to the curb, these teas are packed with science-backed benefits. But here's the thing. How you brew them matters as much as what you brew. Let's geek out on the details. Raise your hand if you've ever suffered from bloating, indigestion, or that, ugh, why did I eat that feeling. Modern life is rough on our guts. Stress, takeout, you name it. But research says herbal teas can tackle these issues head-on, no fancy supplements needed. Let's meet your gut's new best friends. 1. Peppermint Tea, the bloat-buster. Menthol, its superstar compound, chills out those cranky intestinal muscles. One study found sipping peppermint tea reduced IBS pain by 40%, without meds. Pro move. Steep it for at least 10 minutes. Set a timer to unlock maximum menthol. Drink it 30 minutes before meals like a digestive appetizer. Mix it up. Add a pinch of fennel seeds. It's like a spa day for your gut. 2. Ginger tea, the Digestion Dynamo. Gingerol, ginger's spicy hero, revs up your stomach to empty faster. One trial showed it cuts nausea by 40% even during chemo. Pro move. Grate fresh ginger, don't boil it. Steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Squeeze in lemon to make those antioxidants pop. Best timing. Take this 20 minutes before dinner. Your stomach will thank you. 3. Chamomile tea, the gut's nighttime buddy. Apigenin, a fancy flavonoid, tames inflammation and fights ulcer-causing bacteria. Plus, it's basically a lullaby for your nerves. Pro move. Brew it covered for 15 minutes. Add a spoon of raw honey. It's like a prebiotic high five for your gut. Bonus perk. Nightly chamomile promotes better sleep, which leads to a happier gut. Science says stress and digestion are BFFs, not in a good way. Enjoying these herbal tea hacks? Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps me get the message out. Okay, let's get back to it. 4. Fennel Tea, the post-taco savior. Anethol, its magic molecule, busts gas bubbles like a pro. In one study, 72% of people felt less bloated after 4 weeks of fennel tea. Pro move. Crush the seeds first. It's like opening a flavor and gas-fighting treasure chest. Power duo. Mix with caraway seeds. Germans call it digestion tea for a reason. 5. DGL Licorice, the heartburn hero. DGL, a safer licorice version, boosts your stomach's mucus shield. Animal studies show it protects against ulcers like a tiny force field. Critical note, only use DGL. Regular licorice can mess with blood pressure. Sip smart, lukewarm after meals. Think of it as a cozy blanket for your angry stomach. Wait, what about turmeric and dandelion? Turmeric. Curcumin is anti-inflammatory, but you need black pepper to absorb it. Golden milk latte, anyone? Dandelion root. Bitter is good. It jumpstarts bile flow. Hello, better fat digestion. Roast it for a gut-friendly coffee swap. Okay, here's the tea on tea combos. Peppermint plus ginger equals gut royalty. Studies found using both speeds up IBS relief twice as fast. Here's your playbook. Morning, ginger tea, pre-breakfast, to fire up digestion. After lunch, peppermint plus fennel, to dodge that 3 p.m. bloat. Bedtime, chamomile with DGL to heal while you snooze. It's like a triple layer cake for your gut, minus the cake. But no judgment if you add cake. Okay, so there you have it. Say goodbye to bloat with peppermint. Ginger, your digestion's BFF. Chamomile, a chill pill in a cup. Fennel, for post-meal rescue. DGL, heartburn's arch nemesis. Rotate these like your gut's personal playlist. And remember, brew time matters. Don't rush the steep. All right, spill it. Which tea are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're a gut tea pro, drop your recipe below. And until next time, stay steeped, friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this content helpful. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second and gave it a thumbs up. Interested in more science-backed, down-to-earth wellness gems? Then you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out the next video we've lined up for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Join us as we make science simple, one herbal hack at a time.